Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
बोगस कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट वापरून मडगाव पालिकेंत नगरसेवक म्हूण वेचून आयिल्ल्या पूजा नायकाक अपात्र ठरयला. डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशनाक पूजान हायकोर्टांत आव्हान दिला. जात प्रमाणपत्र मेळोवपाक संबंधित अधिकाऱ्याकडल्यान ताची पयली स्क्रुटिनी करची पडटा म्हूण गोंय सरकाराचो कोर्टांत आर्ग्युमेंट.
Sir, one petition is filed by disqualified councillor of MMC Pooja Naik. What was the issue and what happened today?
As far as that case is concerned, the caste scrutiny committee has cancelled the certificate issued to this particular person on the ground that there is no document or no proof to say that one thing is she belongs to the particular community. Secondly, there is no document or evidence on record to show that her father had migrated to Goa prior to 1968. That was the requirement. The complaint was filed by the complainant saying that her father had come from outside the state and his name was also manipulated, and there is no evidence to show that this particular person belongs to that community. Initially, the caste certificate or Samaj certificate was issued by that particular association of that particular community. That was subsequently revoked by the very same Samaj, and they said that it was mistakenly given. Based on that, the caste scrutiny committee had cancelled her caste certificate. Consequently, she lost her seat as a councillor. Now the petition is filed saying that it has been wrongly decided. They are saying that the vigilance report was properly taken. They were asking for stay of this particular disqualification, which the High Court has not granted. We oppose the stay, saying that a disqualified person, a person who doesn't belong to a particular community, has obtained the benefit of caste certificate. Thereby, good and legitimate people have been denied the right of getting elected to this particular council. And now the matter is fixed on 6th. In the meanwhile, we'll file a reply. Notice has been also issued to the complainant. Court will take up it on 6th.
Sir, you have also made one statement that in the Goa, state of Goa, there is no scrutiny until the complaint is filed. What was that?
See, that was a situation which I found out, but then now they have started scrutiny. People have been told to obtain the scrutiny committee's approval for the caste certificate. See, for the general public who obtain the benefit of reservation, one thing should be kept in mind. The Supreme Court judgment says that if you want to avail the benefit of reservation, what you have to do is you have to obtain the caste certificate from the deputy collector. Thereafter, you have to get it scrutinized from the caste scrutiny committee, and this has to happen 6 months in advance. And thereafter, you can apply based on such finalized and a certificate which has been approved by the scrutiny committee. People were not aware of it, and they were just obtaining certificate from the deputy collector, and they were keeping quiet. They got the job, they got admission in the institution, but their certificate is not approved by the caste scrutiny committee. In fact, it has to be in every case that this certificate has to be scrutinized by the caste scrutiny committee. That is compulsory. If it is not scrutinized, then it is not valid. The certificate doesn't remain valid. It has to be scrutinized. So what I feel is that everybody who wants the benefit of the caste certificate in reservation should ensure that that certificate is validated by the caste scrutiny committee.
Do you think any initiative is required on the part of government in this?
Government has already taken an initiative. The social welfare department has requested various departments to tell the selected candidates to apply for caste scrutiny for the purpose of validation.